my name is Vanshika Tyagi and this is my channel, The Living Science. Here you find the knowledge of some interesting facts of life as usual. And today's question of mine here is, what are the occupational respiratory disorders? But before I tell you about what are occupational respiratory disorders, we all must be very well aware about what is the reason behind those occupational respiratory disorders. So I'm going to tell you about occupational respiratory disorders occurs due to long exposure to harmful substances. Means when someone is longly exposed, or he or she will be at a long exposure to some kind of harmful substances, and those harmful substances may be gases, maybe dust, and maybe fumes. Basically, those harmful occupational respiratory disorders will occur to those ones who are working in mines, because at that place the person, the worker, will be exposed for gases, dust and fumes which are very harmful. And if he will be exposed to the long time, he may be suffered from some kind of very harmful disorders related to respiratory tract. Right? Now, some example of those occupational respiratory disorders are written over here. One is silicosis. Silicosis is a disorder which is being caused by the continuous exposure to silica. Right? Another one is asbestosis. It is being caused due to continuous exposure to asbestos. Right? There are some symptoms of this occupational respiratory disorders, and they are lung damage, means your lung will be damaged. Both the lungs actually, not even a single lung. Both the lungs will be damaged. Right? Now, inflammation of the lungs is also the cause, or the symptom I should say. Right? Redness of the lung membrane. Right? Also the reason or the symptom behind. And swelling of the lung membrane. And due to all those symptoms, what would happen? The surface area of lung will reduce due to the collapsing of alveoli membrane. So the person will face difficulty in the breathing, right? And then less amount of oxygen will be reaching to the body cells. So the body will feel low. He will not be able to do all the work, all the basic work of his life. So this will hinder the life of the person very badly. So this is the answer of today's question of mine, that what are occupational respiratory disorders, how they are being caused and how they must be avoided. Actually, the biggest question I should tell you about, they must be avoided by using some kind of mask while working. While you are working in a mine, you should use some kind of mask so that whatever you breathe will not be the direct inhalation of some harmful substances. Means the inhalation of harmful substances will be reduced then to the some extent. So this is the answer. If you people like my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a good day.